Hi viewers, this is Upender Anumala, Polity faculty. This is our continuous class of salient features of Indian Constitution. In the last video we discussed about in the salient features. Our constitution was lengthiest written constitution and we drawn all the matters of the constitution from various sources. And now in this continuation class, some other salient features we will discuss. And the important salient feature, our constitution was secular word written in the constitution. So our system was secular system. What is the meaning of secular? The Western definition of secular was divorce between religion and government. That means Western definition, the secular means divorce, means the government and religion were separate. But in our Indian context, in Indian secular, it was not Western definition, because in India the secular system was government not interfere in the religious matters. That means government will be neutral in the matters of the religion, and moreover government will give equal importance to all the religions. This is our Indian secular system. So government is not avoid any religion and government not given importance to any particular religion. It will give equal importance to all the religion. So this is our secular system. And one more important salient feature, our constitution was blend of rigidity and flexibility. That means our constitution is not a rigid constitution and is not a flexible constitution. It was both characters of the blend and rigidity, blend and flexibility. That meaning the constitution can be amended or change or enter new subjects by two ways. One, it is special majority, another one is simple majority. Example of America. American constitution was rigid constitution, because if any changes can be amended in the American constitution, it will have a lot of big process. It is very critical to amend the American constitution. Whereas the Britain constitution, flexible constitution, because in the Britain, in their constitution, they can enter or change any subject matter of the constitution with simple laws. But Indian constitution, some of the subject matters, example presidents, election of president, it will have a lengthiest process or special majority. And others simple matters also, that means executive and legislature, the subject matters of these things also can be changed by special majority. But there is a chance to, example, extension of the state boundaries or changes of the state names. It will need only simple majority. That meaning our constitution was both characteristic features of the rigidity and flexibility. And other salient feature of our Indian constitution, our constitution means our government was parliamentary system. That meaning Western country of USA, presidential system, but in India we are following parliamentary system, also called Westminster system and cabinet system. So in our parliamentary system and presidential system of America, the president nation head, that meaning state and government head is equal, means president, state head and government head. But in India, in our parliamentary system, government head was prime minister, state head was president who was indirectly elected. And in this parliamentary system, we have the parliamentary system. How can we say, means in this parliamentary system, periodical elections are there, universal adult franchise, isn't it? Every 5 years term of elections will conduct by a separate election commission. So this is one of the special salient feature of our constitution. So all the viewers, you watch regularly this video and like it and share and subscribe. Thank you.